Welcome to the CEREC Connect introductory video. During this video, you will learn how to send the case to the lab of your choosing. At this point, it is necessary to enter the login and password information that was designated when the CEREC Connect account was set up at www.cerecconnect.com. For a new login and password, click the registration button to be taken to the CEREC Connect website. With the proper login information, click OK. Now we are ready to fill out the restoration information and submit the digital impression to the lab. Notice that the patient name has been automatically entered at the top of this tab. First, we want to select restoration type, bridge framework, which is, in our example, for a zirconium oxide supported bridge. As soon as bridge framework is selected, three icons appear on this tab. These icons are the bridge elements. The element to the left is the crown coping or abutment, which you select for the prepped teeth in the bridge. The middle element represents the pontic, and the element on the right is used to represent congenitally missing teeth. Now we will select the type of material, and in this case we choose zirconium oxide. We will pick the stump shade first by selecting the type of shade guide we are using and then select the shade. In our example, we choose A3. Next, we pick the shade guide and shade for the final desired shade of the restoration. Now, we have to click on the teeth that will be restored, and the crown coping element is already selected. When you hover over the tooth, a message pops up to tell you which tooth you are selecting. Now, we click the pontic element and click the corresponding tooth. Finally, we click the crown coping element again and select the final tooth for this 3-unit bridge. Above the model on the screen, the teeth numbers that you selected are shown to you as a reference. We can now click the Next Step button. On the desired lab tab, we can choose the lab that we will be using as well as a return date and a return time. Then click Next Step. On the Additional Notes page, we can input more instruction. Select the gender and age of the patient and upload additional photos. On the back right side of the monitor on your AC unit is a USB port, which can be used to import patient photos. Now we are ready to click Add to Cart. Clicking Add to Cart will upload the digital impression file and any patient photos to the CEREC Connect portal. Once uploaded, we are nearly ready to send the digital impression to the lab. Before clicking Next Step, be certain that the Restoration Data tab, Desired Lab tab, and Additional Notes tab have green checks on them. This lets you know that all of the important information is filled out and ready to be sent off. We click Next Step, and now we can review all of the information that has been submitted to the cart, such as shipping address, billing address, patient name, selected lab, digital impression file, additional photos, restoration type and number of units. In order to finally submit the case, enter your dentist license number and your CEREC Connect password, and click Submit. Congratulations! Your case has been successfully submitted and your digital information is on the way to your lab.